Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a cryptographic hash function. And the common examples of cryptographic hash functions are message digest algorithm, MD2, MD4, MD5 and secure hash algorithm. See how this cryptographic hash function can be used in Golang. Package name, function name. So we will say fmt.println and we can say smaller text message. Okay, and we can say text message. We will keep this as a little smaller one. You can say byte. I live in San Jose, California, and I love to drive. So let's keep this a short message and let's say fmt. First we will use MD5. Say MD5. And we will be using MD5 dot some message that imports MD5. Similarly, let's say fmt.println printf. We can call this as sha256. Similarly, we can have fmt.printf. Can say sha512, comma. We can say sha512 some 512. We can say message. Okay. Now we can just copy this and here we can say larger text message, and we can say I like to do many other things too. Just to make, I'm just making the text bigger, and the rest all remains same. We can say it's equal to. Okay. Let's run this. Perfect. So if you see, the reason behind making smaller text and larger text is I just wanted to highlight. See, if you see MD5 have the smaller text and the larger text has similar characters. Similarly, even in SHA256 and 12, they all have similar characters. If you see even this, although the text here is bigger in comparison to this, but still our hash characters are similar. So guys, if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.